my God.
Welcome back to Pittsburgh Home Garden, where, yeah, you see it. You seen the thumbnail.
No. Oh my God, dude, no.
I am dealing with a lot of death of the greenhouse. There was a snowstorm that I was not prepared for a couple days ago, and some of the plastic of the greenhouse came off. There were some gaps, and yeah, my plants have suffered from a bit of frostbite. I'm going to say a lot of frostbite. The month of November was a very rough one for me, and I wasn't able to get out here as much as I would like to, as much as I needed to, obviously, and this is what happened. You know, as a gardening content creator, I think it's important for me to be as transparent as possible, you know, with the wonderful people who are watching this. So, yeah, we are suffering a huge setback. This totally was not part of the plan, but, you know, I'm trying to look at the bright side of this. I actually made this discovery a few days ago. That's why I'm able to have fun with the reenactment. But when the first day I came out here, you could not get me out of my office. I was so sad, just because it is very sad. Now, I do have a good amount of tomatoes that I'm able to do a December harvest of, which is unheard of. But, you know, this was supposed to last the winter. So instead of, you know, just bringing myself down more and more thinking about it, I'm going to go ahead and rip these babies out and prepare the bed for the next planting. I have some seeds inside. I'm going to be sowing more seeds today. I'm going to use December actually as a reset for myself and the garden. I really need to get my life together, which will then help get the garden together. The storm made a huge mess of my yard. A lot of things just weren't nailed down or put away the way they should have been. And I imagine, you know, a lot of yins can relate to this. You know, life gets rough sometimes, you know, and sometimes the garden just isn't able to be attended to. But I do have huge plans for the new year. I'm actually working on 2 gardening books for you wonderful audience members. They're both going to be leaning more towards children books. I'm working on a website for Pittsburgh Home Garden just so I am able to link all the materials and create more content that might be of value to you wonderful people. So there's a lot of things coming for the new year, and I'm actually going to use December as, you know, my bounce back month. You know, as home gardeners and as people who are living, you know, in today's world, the key of the game is resilience. You know, you have to have it. And I want to show you the downfall of my wonderful greenhouse, you know, just so you can see how hard your boy is about to bounce back in the brand new year. So I'll be bringing a lot of things to the channel, to the new year, because we're resilient. And because I don't want to end an admittedly sad video on a sad ending, I figure I'd come out here and show you my beautiful root crops that are still killing it out here. I have some of the biggest beets you've ever seen in your life. They've been in here for probably about 8 months now, and I just keep harvesting the beet tops because I actually really like them. I love the way that they taste. As soon as you saute them down, add a little bit of salt. I've even been adding a little bit of like lemon juice. Super good. I also, over here, have the biggest fennel you've ever seen in your life. This fennel actually has like 2 or 3 heads on it with the thickest stalk. And I'm just going to leave it in the ground. I have been making some stews just because, you know, it's getting cold. But I'm actually going to see how long this baby can grow. And it doesn't seem like any of the pests like fennel. So why not just leave it out here? These are definitely like some highlights in the yard right now because everything else seems to be a mess. You know, I really wanted to come out here to end the video to really make the point of like things are growing. Things are always growing. We are always growing, and so am I as a home gardener. So I would like to wish everybody happy holidays. I will see you in January, and until then, I'll be getting it together. See you soon.
No! No!